So find a comfortable seated position. I'm sitting on a pillow. You can find a pillow, a bolster, a yoga block, whatever works for you. It's best to have your knees lower than your hips for the proper spinal alignment when you're sitting in meditation. So I just want you to settle in, take your time, shift around as much as you need to, relax your shoulders. And you want to sit up straight, but not uncomfortably straight. You're relaxing your stomach slightly, and you're also slightly contracting the muscles. So finding that comfortable medium, that place where you're neither too relaxed or too stiff and rigid and trying to create really great posture, but you're just relaxing shoulders, relaxing the face, relaxing the jaw, settling in to whatever position feels best for you, palms face up or down. And just starting to pay attention to your breath. Again, noticing if the face starts to tense up, and going through the motions of relaxing the forehead, relaxing the eyes, the cheeks, the jaw, the lips, the shoulders, moving down the arms, forearms, wrists, hands. Each finger relaxes in space. And start to take this position of the watcher, watching where your mind wanders to. Noticing it as it starts to drift into other realms beyond this present moment, and gently and softly bringing it back to the breath. Drawing your awareness to your stomach. We hold a lot of emotion in the stomach. The stomach can feel tense and tight, can feel twisted. We can have fluttering in the stomach if we're anxious. And all we're doing right now is noticing. We're not trying to stop anything from happening. We're not resisting. We're just feeling and noticing what is going on in our bodies. Notice which areas of the body it's hard for you to relax into. Maybe the jaw keeps tensing up, the eyes, maybe the stomach, maybe the shoulders. Just notice. Bring your awareness to your hips, to the floor, to the ground, whatever you're sitting on. Notice the connection between your hips and the ground. Start to feel supported by the ground or whatever's underneath you, like you're being lifted in space. Find your breath. Start to naturally let the breath slow down. When we slow down the breath, we slow down our heart rate. When we slow our heart rate, we slow our perception of time. And in meditation, you want every single moment to feel like it's lasting forever. Whatever discomfort, tension, anxiety that you're feeling in your body, in your mind, try in this moment to completely and totally embrace it. In fact, tell yourself you want more of this tension to arise, that you're not scared of it at all. That you welcome the discomfort, that you actually enjoy the discomfort. Give yourself permission to feel uncomfortable. Start to notice the sounds around you. Noticing the sounds close by and far away. Come back to your breath. Draw your attention back to your stomach and bring your awareness to the space right behind your belly button. Imagine a tiny flickering flame of blue light behind the belly button. This light is warm. With every in-breath, the light starts to grow a little bit brighter. This is a light of healing, of protection, of love. This light represents feeling okay no matter what is going on in the world. This light represents your center of stillness, your center of peace. Imagine this light growing a little bit brighter with each inhale until it starts to fill your whole abdomen. It starts to expand beyond. It moves up to the chest, down to the hips. It moves up to the shoulders, softening them even more, moves down the legs. as this light starts to grow, you start to feel this warmth within you, this okayness, this feeling of security, that you're safe. This light starts to grow beyond the body in all directions. It expands outward. It's surrounding your body completely at this point, moving through the ground and moving up and out into space. You start to imagine this light enveloping the entirety of the earth. The earth is surrounded by this beautiful blue light, healing any parts of the earth that need some extra help. Allow yourself in this moment to feel so supported, at peace, warm, relaxed, and totally fearless. Imagine the edges of your physical body start to melt away. And you're one with everything else in nature, every tree, every plant, the whole sky. Notice that connection to the earth. And start to come back into your physical body. Notice how it feels. Notice your breath. Notice if your face is relaxed or if it's tensed up at all. Relax everything. Notice if there are any parts of the body that feel tense at this point. And imagine you're breathing space into those places. This blue light still surrounding you and emanating from within you. And again, start to notice the hips on the floor or whatever you're sitting on. And imagine that there's a whole root system underneath you, extending deep into the layers of the earth, connecting you to the center of the earth, grounded, You are protected. You are safe. You are okay. You allow this feeling to spread throughout the world, wrapping the whole world and even the whole universe in this feeling of peace. Start to breathe a little deeper. Start to notice each finger, each toe. Bring tiny little movements to the fingers and toes. Starting to wake up the body, but still feeling this connection to everything. This deep sense of peace that does not have to be changed based on any external circumstance. You always have this center. No matter what happens to you or in the world, you can always come back here to this place, this point of light inside of you. It's always there. When you feel ready, you can start to gently open your eyes. And come back.